Oh God, he changed something about his mama. I can't take it. Why is the lip so big? Why is his man look like that? I'm a purist. Whew. Alright. I done got most of it welded up, but what we're gonna do is go outside and flip my rear Bashbar. You can tell from the thumbnail, it's no secret. But my rear tow hitch Bashbar, whatever you want to call it. I don't even know what to call the thing. But anyway, we're about to take it off and weld up a gap. Now, the pipe that would be the bash of the bar, it's round. But the tube that I used to the tube I used to bridge it in front of the trailer hitch, it's a square. So the fact that it's a square going on something round, you were supposed to bevel it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't do none of that shit. I didn't bevel it at all. I just cut it the length I wanted it, and then I just bridged the gap. Now I did it at the top, but I'm about to do it on the bottom, and I got just that small little part, plus some other stuff. Oh, my bad. I about ran outside too damn quick. Oh yeah, I also built a roof rack. Yep, I built the roof rack out of 2 bed frames. It's about as cheap as you gonna get a roof rack, and it's strong enough to hold my fat ass. So, you know, like I said, we're gonna go outside and we're gonna get to all that. Just stick with me. Let's go on, man. I totally piled it on way more than I needed to. Probably because I wanted to be strong as hell. And it wasn't that pretty, so it looked like I was covering up some work of art that I welded up. Now, did I waste some material? For damn sure I probably wasted material. Definitely wasted material. So, but yeah, at least I got the hands on it. It is. Bro, it's on. Like this whole thing unbolted. Plus the stock bumper bolts. So it's pretty strong, guys. It's really important about it. Don't even wiggle an inch. I spent my fat ass up on it. So yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Now what am I doing? That is the glow of a bolt that just got welded